Teardrops in the light, in your eyes so bright, just like raindrops in the window pane. When your eyes are blue, something's wrong with you. Let me kiss the love light back again. Brown eyes, why are you blue? Brown eyes, what can I do? Don't keep the sunshine out of your eyes. Say if you are wise, you'll stop your crying. Brown eyes, look up and smile. Smiling is always in style. She's only after your blues and troubles. Troubles will float away just like bubbles. You know, honest and true, brown eyes should never be blue. Never try to drown all your sorrows down. Open up your heart and they will go. When the sun comes in, that's when they begin disappearing like the April snow. Brown eyes, why are you blue? Brown eyes, what can I do? Don't keep the sunshine off of your eyes. Say if you are wise, you stop all your crying. Brown eyes, look up and smile. Smiling is always in style. She's only after your blues and troubles. Troubles will float away just like bubbles. You know, honest and true, brown eyes should never be blue.
Blackbird, blackbird, singing the blues all day, right outside of my door. Blackbird, blackbird, why do you sit and say there's no sunshine in store? All through the winter you hung around. Now I begin to feel homeward bound. Blackbird, blackbird, gotta be on my way where there's sunshine galore. Pack up all my cares and woe, here I go singing low. Bye-bye, blackbird, where somebody waits for me, sugar sweet, and so is she. Bye-bye, blackbird, no one here can love and understand me. Oh, what hard luck stories they all hand me. Make my bed and light the light, I'll arrive late tonight. Blackbird, bye-bye. Bluebird, bluebird, calling me far away, I've been longing for you. Bluebird, bluebird, this is my lucky day. Skies are turning to blue. I'm like a flower that's fading here, where every hour is one long tear. Bluebird, bluebird, this is my lucky day. Now my dreams will come true. Pack up all my cares and woe, here I go singing low. Bye-bye, blackbird, where somebody waits for me, sugar sweet, and so is she. Bye-bye, blackbird, no one here can love and understand me. Oh, what hard luck stories they all hand me. Make my bed like the light, I'll arrive late tonight. Blackbird, bye-bye.